Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord 4, and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now before I get started, I am going to quickly mention that this process will allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you just don't know. But for the most part, almost all of us have a Google account signed in on a device, and I'm mentioning that because once the reset is finished and your screen lock is supposedly removed, you will need to verify one of the two things, either the screen lock, which if you did this to remove it, then that only leaves you with the second option, which is a Google account as a verification method. So you basically need to provide the email along with the password for that email that was previously signed in on the device, which this would be the option that is visible, or the account that is visible right under user and accounts, and right here the Google account. So there we go. Now, for people interested, I will also be recording later on as a separate video a guide on how you can bypass this and then completely remove this kind of verification if you need that. Because without verifying it, you're just stuck on the setup screen of the phone and you can never leave it. So at that point, it's more like a brick rather than a phone. In any case, let's get started with the bypass. Not bypass, sorry, with the reset. Now I'll be going with mine as though I don't know the screen lock, so as you can see I have one right here. So we're going to hold the power button and volume up, and then we're going to swipe down to turn off our device. When the phone turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. And in a moment when you see the OnePlus logo, let go of the power button but keep holding volume down. Next, from the language options, select your desired language, which for me is going to be English, which is the third option right here. And then select the first option, which is already selected, format data, by just simply clicking on it. It does generate some kind of random code that is visible right here. Now for you, it will be different than it is for me, but it's always a 4-digit PIN, or code, I guess, that you just need to type in on the keypad. So for me, it's 4671. And then confirm process by selecting format, as it does give you a quick message: all user data will be reset. I'm going to select format. This begins the process, then gives you a pop-up, data formatted, with an OK option under that. Then I confirm it, and this automatically reboots the device, continues the reset of it in the background, and once that is finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.